Come with me. Kasi pumasa sa assessment and training namin for tutors. Yung training, so 12:54. 55. Aray ko. Ayos lang ako. Here. Ay.
Let me just give you the timeline of my application. So, June 22, I applied. Yun yung interview, ayun yung assessment, passage reading. This one was on June 27. So, ito na yung contract discussion and training namin. Siguro mga 3 hours din kaming nakaupo niyan. Kinakit yung pet ko niyan bakla. So, by this time, we are already considered as hired. Hired na kami actually. Ayan, training na kami kung paano i-operate yung class in, kung paano tuturuan yung mga adults, kids, pagkakaiba ng mga books, kasi iba-ibang books siya. But basic English lang din naman. So, this is me enduring the pain of my butt kasi ilang oras na ako nakaupo niyan. Good.
So we finished. So for now, she is still using her phone. But after we finish, we're going to
Oh my God, yung pet ko. Wala na akong pet.
Nakapagod ako. Nakapagod ako nakaupo lang.
We're done. Magod, kanina pa ako nakaupo. Feeling ko na akong sweat. For me, manageable yung ganitong job din. For students like me. Sakay? Tsaka sakay din kasi nalitod ko. Ay, ito pala.